Like, when you go to Disneyland, you just go outside, take pictures.
Diba, hindi pa naman, diba?
Okay guys, let's just stay here and we can see all the animals.
Yeah, okay, took a picture and then go.
We are here,
Oh,
Swiss Farm.
YouTuber, huh?
Yes, of course.
Influencer.
Yeah. Influencer.
Celebrity, huh?
You are the celebrity. I'm just a vlogger. Not much anymore actually. The last time is okay. I think this is enough, guys. I don't need to go inside.
Hello, our vlogger friend.
Hi, my dear.
Hi, everything.
Hello, everything. How are you to find out?
Hi, everything.
Wala bang hiya kayo? Pwede promote nyo pa si Miss Everything kasi sa vlog ko, ha?
Kasi dapat yung vlog mo, may something ka na paanda.
Ah, okay.
David,
Hi, Kuya
say-
David.
Say hi, everything.
Where are we, Kuya David? Swiss alam.
Magdora ka kaya.
Swiss what? Swiss Farm, okay.
Yes,
So
we-
you will be my, how you call this? Vlogger today, na? Just your cameraman. You have to tell the world.
Yeah, you have to explain everything, David.
Yeah, okay. Tita will be the one to do the video for you.
He is recording and you are
Okay, you
the-
have to
the
tell
MC.
people later, okay?
You need
This one is blah blah blah,
Yeah.
whatever. But we do it at
on the
inside.
right side.
Yeah.
You see, say like this.
Okay? So guys, today Kuya David will be the one to do the vlog. Yeah. I'll be the one to do the video for him. So he has my 5% of my salary. My YouTube salary soon.
How much? $5.
Yes, it's even more, a lot than what I expected. So we are here. Where is this, Kuya David?
David, say it. We are the inside.
We are at Swiss Ship Farm. Okay. So, Pinay. Come on. Ate Wendell, wag na. Teacher Dino.
Hold on. I think I got me and Teacher Monroe. Are they gonna ship? Like,
No. But you can go.
can we just go and then tell them?
Yeah.
So they don't need to go.
We can stay here. It's so hot.
Here.
Yeah. So we are here, guys. We are here.
David.
Go inside. Go. Whoa.
Why is everything
Wala
decorated
yan.
for Halloween, no Christmas?
What is this here, Kuya David?
Like a grave?
What is that? A Halloween theme? Okay. So where are we going next?
I don't know. That
Let's go inside. Ooh, this is scary.
Mom.
I don't like it. It's so scary.
Looking for my parents.
Jesus, buwang ka ba? si Raul. So we are here inside now, guys, as you can see. So that's it. Skeleton Park, and we have another place there later. Okay, so I'll keep updating you guys with some videos. Did you buy? Jo? Did you buy?
ไปนะครับ C J
Oh, come now. Oh, madam. Ang liit naman niya, madam.
good นะ
Yeah, beautiful, but I mean, I thought that you're covering, yeah, something like that.
David, you want? See that? Take a picture, baby.
I'm just vlogging. It's been decades since I've been here. So we're arriving in the area of Swiss ship. Yes, as you can see. As you can see, guys, they're so lovely. Charot. Teacher, why are you laughing? So, these are the ships. A lot. Beautiful. So, this is what everything here. So, we're gonna take photo first, guys. Be right back. Do I look like?
this one is cool
Okay, hi, Shippy. Okay, we're here.
sorry
They are really greedy. Ah, they eat it right away.
it's so good
Yeah, they are big eater. Yeah, that's right. They just grab it right away. Are you that hungry, guys?
hi
Huh?
everything
Yes, this is another deer. It's not a part of the ship, but it's a deer. They are greedy ship.
yeah what if we give them fingers our fingers
Yeah, try.
no
But I feel
can we
bad.
wrap them
I doubt it. They are so
can I wrap you guys you
no.
guys can I wrap
No.
I feel like if I oh no you turn on that
Yes. Yeah, it's the same as you.
Kurobuta
Hello.
Hello,
Kitty.
Kurobuta.
Oh, I think she's pregnant.
huh
Is she or just
she's just fat oh look at
the chickens? I think she's pregnant. They're so cute, pig. Just taking her screenshots. to the maze. Let's try if we can find it correctly. Go, Kuya David. I'll be following you. Are you sure? No? Wrong. Okay, so we got the wrong track. Okay. So, ang kati. Oh, you're there already.
Yes.
That's quick.
Dead end, dead end.
See? We got it wrong second time. So, go Kuya David. We follow you. Kaya nga eh. Ano pa naman natin ako sa grass. May allergy ako. Nakagat ka rin? Wala. Ito din sa akin, di ba? Saan yan? Sa... Ay, kaya tayo. Okay, is that correct now? Okay. Okay. Yeah. We made it. See you later. Ikot na. Ang init, besh. What's around. So here we are. Though it's hot, but it's okay. Just once in a while. Oh, swan. That's one. Ate Wendell, how are you? So, donkeys. Are you enjoying Kuya David? That's ayan guys. Hello. So, here we are. A Swiss farm.
When we came here before,
Right. I've been here for quite long already. So guys, we are here at the 3D room. What's outside? Bacarito. Cafe. Oh, there's an exit place here. Here we are, Arabic farm. So cutie-cutie, oh. Hindi sila takot sa tao, no? Siya pala lumalapit. They're not scared of people. They're not dogs. Oh, lolo, lumalapit siya. Hi, rabbit. Hi. Hi. Baka kagatin ako. Hi. Come here. Come here. Woo!
Is it electrical?
I'm just scared that they might
If
bite.
it's
But
electrical.
it look, they are really not really scared. There's a lot of rabbit.
Happy Easter.
We're eating at Ganikang.
We don't have serving spoon.